What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about a bug that is affecting millions of Galaxy users right now that use Samsung Messages. Yes, a lot of you probably have migrated over to Google Messages because Samsung has actually started forcing people to migrate to Google Messages. We'll talk a little more about that in this video because they have an annoying pop-up that now tells you almost anytime you open Samsung Messages, or at least like once a day or however many times you open it, it tells you to migrate to Google Messages. So Samsung is trying to force people there. But if you still want to use Samsung Messages, there's a pretty bad bug that's impacting it. I'll show you guys how to work around it for now if you want to keep using Samsung Messages. Before we get started, I do want to remind you guys to make sure you check out our website. Go to sammyguru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, all of the other various things that you come to expect from us here on the YouTube channel, but in a breaking news format. You can see right here that we've got the latest story that I'm covering in this particular video, and we cover this in real time. So you can always get the news, kind of bookmark the website, come back daily, and you should be good to go. So if you're in the US, you can also get in on our mystery box program. Just tap this here, put in your phone number, your email, or both. You get a free case cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies when you purchase the Galaxy S25 device through our affiliate link in January 2025. We cover all the shipping costs. You pay nothing, get some extra accessories for your phone. That'll be in the pinned comment and description. So here's the story. Security feature causes search issue in Samsung Messages. Basically, this stems from a bug in the malicious message blocking feature in One UI 6.1.1. Shout out to Sumit, our full-time writer over at Sammy Guru, who covered this first. Disabling the feature resolves the problem, but Samsung is working on a permanent update that will be pushed out soon. So essentially what happened is, over on the community forums in South Korea, someone posted about this issue, and I'll show you guys the original source forum. It's right here. You can see here October 21st. We've confirmed this issue may occur if you enable malicious message blocking feature in the latest software, One UI 6.1.1. Temporarily disabling the feature may improve the situation. In addition, we plan to distribute an app that improves the phenomenon. Update the Messages app to the latest version through the Galaxy Store. And then it shows you how to disable the malicious message blocking, but I'll actually show you guys how to do this a second inside the Samsung Messages application if you guys want to see if you're having this issue. So essentially, this is a feature that arrived as part of the auto blocker suite that allows you to really enhance security and protection to your device with One UI 6.1.1, and it blocks kind of malicious text messages that you might get, because we all get a lot of spam messages, things like that. We've talked about that numerous times on this channel. Our partner Aura, who actually has a free trial of their service to kind of help you stop some of these type of issues with spam, I've talked about them many times on the channel as well. So if you want to turn this off, what you can do is go into Samsung Messages. Now, first of all, you may have noticed actually, if you're on a Galaxy phone now, Google Messages is the default icon, and Samsung Messages may be hidden. So I had to search for it here and then tap on it. And then this is the banner I was talking about: upgrade your messaging experience, real-time spam detection, custom themes, and screen effects. It's telling you to move to Google Messages. It says, get all this and more when you upgrade to Google Messages. Your message history will be transferred. If you'd rather not upgrade, you can choose to keep your current messaging app. So if you say not now, then it'll take you in here, obviously, to your Samsung Messages. Now, a lot of people still like Samsung Messages, and there's a number of reasons I've talked about in the past on the channel. These things that kind of separate out your categories at the top. There's a number of advanced features as well. The issue we're talking about is if you use the search bar up here to search for a message, and then you tap, it won't actually locate that specific message. It'll go to the wrong place, or it won't go anywhere at all. So the way to fix this is go to the three-dot menu, go to Settings, and then down here where it says Block Numbers and Spam, tap on that, and then go to Caller ID and Spam Protection right there, and then you can see down here, you can go ahead and turn this off. So this will go ahead and allow you to no longer have this particular issue. Now up here, it'll just show you the messages that were blocked and the numbers that were blocked, but this is the feature that you want to turn off in order to make sure that you no longer have this issue. If you turn this feature off, you should no longer have a problem with the search bug. It should be cleared up. And like I said, Samsung will be pushing an update very soon to this so that there won't be any future problems for those of you who are using Samsung Messages. I would encourage you, if you're not already using Google Messages, it's probably a good idea to switch over, because Samsung seems like they're being pretty aggressive in forcing people in this direction. I know people want them to support Samsung Messages forever, but they may eventually end support. I was in the camp that I thought they would never do this, but it certainly seems like they are, and also more and more bugs like this are popping up. So it seems like they're not developing as much, resources to this. And in the end, a switch to Google Messages sooner rather than later might be better just for the stability of your messaging and make sure that you have everything migrated over before they kind of bring an abrupt end to Samsung Messages. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. I hope this helps you if you're having this bug. Check for Samsung Messages again. And let me know if you guys have switched to Google Messages or you're sticking with Samsung Messages for the time being. Check out SammyGuru.com. Mystery boxes, if you're here in the US, check that out. Sign up, phone number, email, or both. Appreciate you guys checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.